Hello learners, welcome to our YouTube channel Study Kernel. Today in this video we are going to display simple message hello world, name, email address and date of birth of user using printf function in C language. So let's start. For reading value or data, we require input function, and for writing value or data, we require output function. In C language, we have scanf as an input function and printf as a output function. Printf is an output function, is used to display message on screen or to display a value of variable. Next, scanf is an input function used to read value of integers or characters or float type of data. Before writing actual program, we write an algorithm for our task, which is printing hello world message, name, date of birth and email address of user or programmer. Algorithm is a stepwise set of instructions to perform a particular task. So, step 1 is a start. In step 2, we will display message hello world using printf function. In step 3, we will display name of user or programmer using printf function. In step 4, we will display date of birth of user using printf function. In step 5, we will display email address of user using printf function. Step 6 is a stop. Flowchart is a graphical representation of an algorithm. Flowchart always begins with start and ends with stop. In first input-output box, which is a parallelogram, hello world message is displayed. In next box, name of user is displayed. In very next box, date of birth is displayed as shown. In the last input and output box, email address of user is shown. Here we will see actual code. First of all, initialization of library files is done here, such as stdio.h and conio.h. clrscr function is used to clear the output screen. Using printf function, hello world message is displayed. Later, name, date of birth and email address of user is displayed. getch function is used only to hold the output screen for some time. Now, we will see how actual program is executed using Turbo C. Same program that we have discussed earlier is written here. Now, we shall run code by clicking on Run button. So, in output window, we can see hello world message, name, date of birth and email address of user. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning and keep growing. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.